March 5. Yes, it's already March 5, and yeah, just woke up a little bit late, but yeah, so happy nag-exercise na ako, nag-facial exercise na ako because one of my goals this year is to, kasi napapansin ko medyo asymmetrical yung face ko. So, gusto ko ng symmetrical face. So, that's why I'm learning facial massages para hindi na tayo operation or like mga tuktok na yun. So, yan. And I'm gonna start my work now in 5 minutes. So, yeah. Whew. I'm done working out. Whew. Second day, finish. So I'm gonna take a bath after and I'm gonna prepare dinner. So yeah, hi everyone. Yeah, I'm done taking a bath and I'm going to prepare dinner now. So it's, what time is it? It's 4:30. Yeah, just the right time to prepare dinner. And yeah, as you can see, my gosh, my skin's so glowing. I love it. So what's this? Oh, so hi. I've got a suman for merienda and turmeric tea and apple cider. So I'm gonna mix or dilute an apple cider as tablespoonful of apple cider to the turmeric. Yeah. So this is my like regimen, like every morning, warm water and apple cider. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang siyang gawin. And I'm gonna eat suman while waiting for the chicken. Kasi nagluluto ako. And by the way, gumawa pala ako ng ice cream. Char, ito ice cream. Ooh, turmeric tea. It's brown out, guys. Tapos, naputol pa ako sa gitna ng lesson. Tapos, 30 minutes na lang may booking pa. Paano na lang? Alright. So, anong gagawin? Ago? No, I couldn't speak English 15 years ago. Okay, could you write your name when you were a baby of 6 months old? Could you write your name when you were a baby of 6 months old? No. Sweets when you were a kid? Yes, no. I didn't eat. Okay, finally, my gosh, you know what my battery is? My battery is only like 2% now. I'm really sorry. Okay, but then, let me just bookmark them. Bye-bye. Thank you, Lord! Margaret, nagka-count na siya ng 3, 2, 1 yung laptop. Ha? Nagka-count na ng 3, 2, 1. Oo, kasi mamamatay na siya. Shit! Oh my gosh, hello guys. Grabe. Finally may kuryente na. Pero grabe talaga, yung pinapagpasalamat ko talaga is Oh my gosh, hindi na-cancel yung lesson ko and umabot talaga siya up to the very last percentage of like the battery. Oh my gosh, like nagka-count na siya, nagka-counting na siya kasabay ng counting ng end ng lesson namin ng student ko. Nakakaloka! Oh my gosh, Morning guys. It's 5:20. Gumising ako ng 5. Pero alarm ko is 4:30. So, we're gonna make my apple cider. Dahil I'm good. I woke up 4:30 this morning and I feel so energetic. Let's listen. Ready? All right. So, hi! Good morning. Hindi ako nakapag-video kanina kasi pagkagising ko, nag-login talaga agad ako. Pero yeah, it's okay. And then, I'm gonna eat breakfast today. It's kamote. Yeah, my mom cooked it for us. So, I'm gonna partner it with chicken. So, that's leftover from yesterday's dinner. I'm just gonna have to stir it. Ayan. Kakanggata na yan. Wow! Hi guys, good evening. It's March 6th and it's 6:55 p.m. and I'm getting ready for work. Not getting ready, but I'm already seated and I'm just waiting for my student to come in our like activities, including like editing videos for like the whole week so I can upload it kasi para meron akong mga weekly uploads kasi wala naman ako masyadong ganap, but it's only that I want to document what I've done and I'm so happy because like meron akong naku-curate na mga food cooking videos, so I'm so happy with that. Guys, so I'm gonna eat dinner and my ulam is so delicious. It's ginataang mustasa. So masarap. Hi guys, so it's March 7 na. Grabe, naka 1 week na tayo ng March. And it's been so productive when it comes to like working. Kasi good morning guys. As you can see, I'm eating. And today is Saturday. And activity natin for today is mag-check ng bubong ng alulod. Magwalis ng bubong. Pero kakain muna ako. Okay, it's a really nice day today. The sun is up. So we're gonna video myself. Pero, nainitan yung cellphone ko. But it's okay. So yeah, we're gonna clean this. And this. And it's rubber. What am I gonna do? water na. So, let's do it. Show you my POV. Let me take you. Wait nga natin to. The view is so nice. The sky is so blue. So yeah, I'm gonna show you the lemon tree. And meron siyang mga prutas. Wait, let's see those circle things. There. Those are fruits. Okay, zoom pa natin. Ooh! See that? Oh my gosh, we have the London. Because like, ang ganda talaga ng araw. It's so amazing. The clouds. Ah!